We all know downtime is expensive, but rarely does anyone calculate the actual costs of a motor vehicle incident. For many organizations, when a vehicle stops moving, the productivity of the occupant also grinds to a halt. The next thing you know, that person is doing something they're not paid to do, like orchestrating or performing repairs. Then, somebody has to come up with an alternative vehicle. There are pickups, drop-offs, visits to insurance adjusters, body shops, bills paid, etc. There are 3, 5, or maybe 8 people whose time has been involved in one collision. The aforementioned says nothing of the costs and traumas involved with a more serious highway incident. What does that cost? Allow us to suggest that it all costs a lot more than the cost to put just one driver through our Skid Smart Collision Avoidance program, and as a result, reducing the likelihood of that driver costing your business time and money. The Saskatchewan Safety Council Skid Smart Collision Avoidance program provides information and hands-on experience in driving conditions which produce a skid. Participants complete the online theory portion at their own pace, using a computer, tablet, or smartphone, and practical exercises on our custom-designed outdoor ice skid pads, located just outside Regina and Saskatoon. Register today at www.sasksafety.org.